Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. Today, we'll be discussing a new feature that allows you to easily manage topic approvals. Before we start, you have to activate the BBP Core Pro license. Let's start. Firstly, go to WordPress dashboard and navigate to BBP Core settings. Now go to Topics section. In here you can see the auto approval is turned on. It means if you create any topic it will be approved automatically. Well, we want to turn off this settings. Let's turn it off. We can see many other options here like pending notice, anonymous topic, same topic voting, enable, disable. You can check out those options by yourself. Let's save the settings. Now go to the forums. In forum section, let's go to feedback suggestion forum. Now let's create a new topic here. Let's give a topic title here and then add a description, then give a tag. After filling those fields, then click submit button. Now here you can see a notification text. It says your topic is awaiting for moderation. That's how it works when you turn off auto approval settings. Thank you for watching.